Here we have the 2020 Chevy Camaro LT1 Coupe. And this Camaro is equipped with a 6.2 liter V8, made it to a 10-speed automatic transmission. You've got your 20-inch wheels, performance exhaust, Brembo brakes, got your power windows, power mirrors, power door locks. There's your trunk space there. A little close up on that exhaust. There's your passenger seat. Got passive keyless entry. I'm gonna take a look at what's under the hood. And there's your 6.2 liter V8 there. Got your leather wrap steering wheel, infotainment system with AM, FM, and XM radio, along with Bluetooth audio, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. There's your high definition backup camera. Get a little close up on the AC controls. No heated or cooled seats, and it's just single zone. And then with the LT1, even though it has the V8, you only have snow, ice, tour, and sport mode. But the sport mode should pretty much do it for you. And next we're gonna take this LT1 out on the road for a test drive. Of course, the 6.2 liter V8 power is fantastic. Still got that 455 horsepower with the LT1. And I really like the sport mode. It's something that you use when you're wanting to just have fun and give it some power. Whoo! Yeah, it's just a fun car. And what makes the LT1 great is you don't have to spend 55 grand for a 2SS if you don't want to. You can get this LT1 for under 40,000 with an automatic transmission, which is not as engaging as a manual, but it's gonna shift faster than anyone else can. So if you're all about just speed and just cheap, fast fun, this is the way to go. And right now I'm cruising at about 78, and I'm getting instant fuel economy at 40 miles per gallon. I'm kind of deaccelerating. Let me put the cruise on. Get this button to work. Okay, there it is. So cruising in 4-cylinder mode, you're getting that 28, 30 miles a gallon with the cylinder deactivation. And it's nice to have that in a car where you can literally throw yourself back in the seat. But then when you're cruising down the interstate, you can save money on gas. Of course, with your Brembos, the braking is spectacular. Gonna go ahead and do a nice rev here. And in the cabin, it's actually pretty, I mean, of course you can hear the V8, but all in all, it's a nice sound. These cars are just great, and it's so nice that you can finally get one with everything you need for under 40 grand. Now, you don't have your blind spot monitoring or, you know, any of that fancy safety equipment that you get on a 2SS, but if you don't need it, then this is the car for you. And the seats are surprisingly comfortable, even though they're not leather. And both the driver and the passenger seats are power, so you can adjust them as you please. And the cylinder deactivation mode is really only good if you're cruising. I tried to accelerate and I barely put my foot on the gas and it went back into V8 mode. But right now, cruising at 41 and I'm getting 33, 40 miles a gallon. Just cruising doing 40. And even in sport mode, the ride isn't harsh at all. And like I said, for 40,000, you really can't beat this if you're just wanting a fast car, good power. And that's my review of the 2020 Chevy Camaro LT1.